Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by making sure you have admin access and an internet connection so updates can download. Once done, open Start, type HP Support Assistant, and launch it. This gives you the device dashboard immediately. Make sure HSAW checks for initial updates. It populates a device list and highlights urgent items. You do this because HSAW aggregates drivers, BIOS, and diagnostics in one place, saving time versus hunting individual downloads. Next, click Updates to run a scan for drivers, BIOS, and software patches, and review the change notes so you understand what will change. Then, use the Troubleshoot or Diagnostics tab to run hardware checks, battery, memory, and disk, because proactive tests reveal failing components before they become critical. Once tests pass, schedule or apply updates. Make sure to restart the system if a BIOS or firmware update requires it to complete installation. To finish, confirm all updates are applied and run a final quick diagnostic pass so you know the system is stable. If problems persist, use contact support in HSAW for guided help or export support logs to share with a technician. Make sure to keep a restore point before major changes. If a driver install fails, roll back the driver or reinstall it using Device Manager, because that prevents configuration conflicts and
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.